about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
You get some fries?
Mm-hmm.
Very much like McDonald's.
Burger. That's a nice size.
That's a big pile.
So blessing.
Sorry.
God is great.
God is good. Most thankful for our food. By his hands we are fed. Give us for our daily bread. Amen.
That's good.
Fries are really good, I think.
I'll show you a burger. Ooh, a big burger. That's
hello. I am Big Pal. There's our hot tub for everybody to see us while they drive through.
Everything's labeled really nice. I like that. Welcome back to Living Gratefully. It's 2025 and you're going to be seeing more of us this year. All right, we're in Gatlinburg. Our friends are going to come in about 30 minutes and join us here at this cabin. I already filmed a little tour of the cabin. It's a 2-bedroom. It's really nice, but we do like to share real video.
Yeah.
Not to be, we are very grateful, not to be ungrateful, but to share what it really looks like. Whereas the pictures don't always show everything, right?
Yep. Beautiful place, beautiful mountains. Just kind of checking it out right now and see how we like it.
We brought in all of our stuff. Like I said, our friends are coming. We're going to figure out what we're going to do for dinner. We'll show you everything that we eat while we're here, the beautiful views. I want to flip it around and show you the beautiful views, but there is a road right here that we did not see in the picture. So it's a little bit, you know, it's just a little bit different, but we're still going to have a great time.
That's right. We're in the middle of the mountain, so it's not like we're going to have a lot of traffic.
Right, that's true, yeah. All right, so we're standing in the same place right here, and this is what we were looking at. It's beautiful mountain view. There is like this road and that road there, and like he said, oh, and all those roads there. Like you said, it's not going to be too busy or anything, but we thought, there's my fake Stanley, we thought that from the hot tub, it was just going to be like, I don't know, you know, the views, we just thought we'd see mountains, not any roads or anything else. It looked like it was more private, but it's fine. We're going to still have a great time. Let me show you what it looks like. And of course, when we get in the hot tub, I'll take some film like that too, because that's going to be one of our main activities. Yeah, it is gorgeous. Yes.
It's vacation. We're getting away.
3 nights in Gatlinburg.
That's right.
I like this silverware holder being out on the counter like that. It's pretty cool. And then check this out. Everything's labeled, so you know where to put things back, but also where you can find things. This place is very well stocked. We're standing here waiting for our friends. They should come up one of these roads. And while we're waiting, Scott lit the fire. And I think it's really neat because it gives you these troubleshooting videos. Looks like a YouTube symbol. You know how much we love YouTube. In case you have trouble lighting the fireplace.
Mark don't waste no time going around them corners, curves.
We're here to see all the beautiful view right here.
There it is. he can't help but smile when he turns around.
Thank you.
That would have been good, huh?
Yeah. Someone just drove by and said, God bless America. Yay. Okay, so what is it, like 2 o'clock or something like that?
Mm-hmm.
Saturday. We had enjoyed the hot tub last night. I don't think I got any film or pictures of that. So tonight we'll try to do that.
Had hot tub time.
And yes, it was nice. We all slept good.
Yep.
Woke up this morning, had a good breakfast. You guys have already seen those clips. And
Went and got pizza last night.
Yeah,
Went
we did pizza.
Pizza at the All New Ski Pizza. I think is what it was called.
it was really
it's near
good.
a ski resort
I
here.
liked it.
So we
It
got
was
pizza.
small and quaint.
Yeah.
It was really yummy, I thought.
Went
And
and got
then-
groceries for the house.
Yeah, that's
Food
what-
City.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's how we had our good breakfast this morning. And then we just hung out around the fire and had our coffee and just talked about life plans.
Yeah. Our
and
friend Mark is the
future.
breakfast specialist. He always makes good breakfast sandwiches.
And I had
We
put
enjoyed
in my
that.
order ahead of time, so we knew what
Yeah.
we were having for breakfast. Tonight we have a reservation at
5
Peddler?
o'clock for Peddler Steakhouse. Yep. I
Yeah.
think it's called the Peddler. Yep. And we're going and do a little shopping, hit the Old Smoky Distillery, check it out, maybe do some tastings.
We'll take you along with us. Here we go.
So you guys will actually pay the bartenders. We've got 5 right here, 1 in the back, and then 1 on that side as well. Just give them your ID, and then after that, they're going to tell you guys the prices, and they get you guys all set up. Emily, Avery, everybody smile away. Gabby, wait. Marilyn.
Y'all look so good. Yay. I love it.
vision shows like parks and recreation. You just ended a long-term thing, and that was just a fling. Meant nothing, yeah, just a fling and meant nothing. Star-filled sky, late September night, a twist of fate, your warm embrace. Yeah, I'm stuck on you, sir, stuck with me through all, through thick and thin, the mess we're in right now. We are having quite the ball, so you know I'm in it for the long haul. 'Cause stuck on you, sir, stuck with me through all. I fell for you so fast. When I turned to two, I thought you had fallen too. A star-filled sky, late September night, a twist of fate, your warm embrace. Yeah, I'm stuck on you, sir, stuck with me through all, through thick and thin, the mess we're in right now. We are having quite the ball, but so you know I'm in it for the long haul. 'Cause stuck on you, sir, stuck with me through all.
Are you? Scott calls me cornbread. Peddler Steakhouse?
Yep.
It was so good. But one of my favorite things was that caramel apple martini. So good. What was your favorite thing? Salad bar?
Steak.
The
Ribeye.
salad bar was so good.
Ribeye.
Ribeye was good. My fish,
Salad
oh my
bar
gosh.
was good. Trout.
The
fried
trout was amazing. So good. All right, y'all have to go try that.
Delicious.
It's so good. It was
Everything's
perfect.
good.
Everybody loved their meal. It was so good.
Yep.
Yay. Hot tub time. Y'all say hi. Hi.
What up?
Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two, but
I would just say maybe be rolling out of here by 11.
Have coffee with me first, please.
Yeah, we got time, baby.
Smile, baby.
I love all your butter. That is
I love it. Yay.
They're like, and she said extra butter.
Y'all had the buffet. How was the buffet? All right, y'all. We had to get out of there early because a storm was coming, but we had such a good time. We just left one day early. So, but the good news is we don't have to work tomorrow. So we already had that day off. And we had some breakfast. It was really good. What was your favorite part of breakfast, baby?
Oh gosh, biscuits and gravy, hash browns.
I like the fried bologna.
Fried bologna.
And my pancakes with extra butter.
Apple
so
butter.
good. The apple butter was good.
Yeah.
Stacy had some pancakes with like caramel sauce and pecans, and she liked that. And let's see. So that was at Reagan's. Was it Reagan's House of Pancakes?
Yeah.
Good place. We highly recommend that. What did you say you liked? Because it's like kind of like down home, quaint,
Well,
quick. It was quick service. It was good service.
Yeah. I like the buffet.
Yeah.
The girls ate from the menu. The boys ate from the buffet.
Yeah. So I thought that was perfect.
Yeah.
So we enjoyed our last meal together. We'll see the Brendels again soon. We had such a fun time. And yeah, the cabin was awesome. We enjoyed the fireplace, sitting around the fire talking about
And the hot
plans
tub.
for more trips. Yeah, and the hot tub. We enjoyed it all. And some delicious food. Oh, dinner last night, baby.
Yeah.
My fish was so good. I forgot we haven't really talked about it. So what was your favorite part of dinner?
Oh, the steak. Oh, and the salad bar was awesome too. That
the
ribeye
salad bar.
was killer.
My fish, it was trout. Was it rainbow trout?
Fried trout.
Fried. You could get it grilled, but oh, so good. And the drinks, they were good. I had a caramel apple martini, which I'm really into martinis now that are really sweet. So good. And I also had a raspberry lemon drop martini.
Yeah.
Both were just so good. Yay. All right, well, this might wrap up the travel vlog for Gatlinburg with our friends, the Brendels from Atlanta. And we will see you again soon in our next adventure. Thanks for watching Living Gratefully. Subscribe and like this if you want to see more travel vlogs. Bye.